battery kicked the bucket.
I know what's wrong with it.
What?
It ain't got no gas in it.
It says quarter tank. So we got this, me and my boy Malachi, we got some big news coming by the channel in the near future. But I have this, I don't even know what year this is. Let me look in the door. I think it's an 04. Yep, it's an 04 Ram. I just got it. It doesn't really work, so I got a bunch of, we got a bunch of all different kinds of used motor oil, because they checked the dipstick, and I think that's shit. You see anything?
Is it barely? Barely.
I'm legally blind. Be able to see. So we're gonna put some oil in here, and then we know for sure that the battery is dead. Dang. My bum shoulder.
Right. I'm about to say, you struggling?
Yep. Alright, so 530, that's what it's recommended. I don't know how much. We just found these. These some, I wouldn't say used, but just leftover.
Yeah, leftover.
Shit. Oh, let's almost drop the key down in the engine thing.
We're an SOL.
Yeah, it's only got one key. So that's that Castrol. What's this? Motor oil from Ace. Shit don't smell like motor oil.
Probably ATF.
That's it. No, that's it.
It smells sweet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put that in there. What's this one? Another 530. Yeah, this smells like motor oil. We're just putting this in here. We're gonna have to jump it. You're gonna drive at 500 miles.
Damn right. On these Tokyo drifts right here.
Man, we didn't even check see if I have any cool. Dang.
No coolant.
No coolant. No. No, that's a windshield washer. You're gonna need some water. Damn it, this thing is empty. Dry it at the Sahara. I don't know. I don't got no water in the Jeep. I don't know where there's a. Dang it.
Just send it.
Carbon clean fuel treatment. I'm gonna put some of that in the thing.
Yeah. Yeah,
It
that'll
doesn't
work.
matter if it's supposed to be used by 2012.
I think we're good.
It's only a recommendation.
It'll buff out.
Yeah, it buff out. That's not the gas tank. I'm gonna just let that come. Let it, yeah.
Yeah, I think we can use that.
Gas tank is coming off. Gas tank ain't coming off.
Need some Crisco? There you go.
Look at that. Carbon fuel treatment for E10 gasoline. I don't know.
I'm gonna tell you to send it.
This blows up. We know whose fault it is.
Wait, that was unopened?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. That's why I didn't even check it to see what was in there. It was unopened. Because it expired 10 years
10
ago.
years ago, yeah. Man, these tires are pretty good though.
Yeah. Dang, no water. We should be able to go with. Let's look in the back of this truck, see if they have any water back here. Nope. I'm gonna get that jump box. you lock the back?
Yeah, it almost caught my fingers.
I don't think them tires gonna make it.
Nah, definitely not. Put some
1 mile.
Put some ratchet straps over them.
Dagnabbit. Oh,
I got a little spark.
Got a little spark.
Didn't get that beforehand.
Sparks.
Oh, I have the key.
Bet. Dang it. I don't think we're gonna make it too far. What you think?
I can push it.
All right.
Unless we Flintstone in it, I don't think it's going nowhere.
We can pull it.
I think the Jeep will pull it.
Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna have to get the strap and pull it.
Let's get it.
All right, let's get it.
Think it'll pull it?
Yeah. Let me see how much this weighs. Yeah, you should be able to do it.
How much is it? Like 5?
It's 35, you know, the Jeep goes 35, I think. But it's gonna be not, yeah, it's gonna have power underneath it, so it'll be a little bit different.
Right.
So you should just pull the Jeep around and then just back it up in front of it.
Right, right. We made it. Boys in the woods.
You know what you're doing? Hey man, don't scratch this paint. It's like a $10,000 paint, man. It's like a $10,000 paint, yo.
Man, this thing brand new, ain't it?
All right. Let's see. Moment of truth.
Let's see.
Kablooey! All right, getting the windows up. It's the mileage on there. The AC still. I'm putting some water in it. I think we figured out what the problem is. You think we know what the problem is?
Yeah, I think so.
Things pissing like this. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't say that.
We'll bleep it out. Yeah.
I'm gonna try and start it. The battery's still connected, right?
No, hang on. Try to do this one-handed. All right.
Fan's working. So the thermostat's working. So what we gotta do, we'll probably have if it ran without no coolant, we're gonna have to probably do a compression check, see if probably overheat his block. I don't know. We'll see. What if it's just the radiator that's bad?
It's a possibility. Hey, pressure wash all this. You can turn around and flip it.
Yeah, I don't see any oil leaks. You see any oil leaks?
Nah.
Other than just the water. You see any water leaking from anywhere else?
Nah, just right here.
When we drain the oil, we can see if it has any water in the oil. See if but see, it didn't have any oil in it. So if we see if it's milky, I'm gonna look at the temperature.
Okay.
It's a little bit over the middle, which is expected, but it's not pegged out or anything.
So it might just be the radiator.
Might just be the radiator. For now. But yeah, we have to check the oil too. I know usually you don't check it with the running.
YOLO.
YOLO. Yo! It is hot! I'm done.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that bitch is. Alright, we cut that bitch off before. Oh, yeah, I don't see no.
Sheesh.
Yeah, it was starting to climb up there now, past the halfway mark, so we know it ain't holding no pressure. Yo! Why you ain't remember me that this was hot, man?
Yeah, how's your fingers?
Not bad, not bad. I don't see no water in there. They don't look milky. Looks good, but as I said, we'd have to change the radiator and then we'd drain the oil. See where it goes. The AC works.
That's what you need in Florida.
Hey, that's the only thing you need in Florida. You don't need no windows, no doors. Maybe these May pops. Definitely gonna have to change these May pops. Actually, these Gome pops.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'll put it in the back. Come on. All right. So we a third of the way there. We're gonna figure out what's going on, and then we'll come back out. Well, we'll come back out and mess with it, and we'll let you know what happened.
Yeah. Hopefully it's still here.
Yeah, man. Certified. All right. Until the next video, guys. Peace. We out.